Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez's company, sent me some products. So instead of doing the typical influencer on my phone, I decided that I was going to unbox this on stream. And I'm going to share it because Hash Brown sponsorships, although this is Hash Brown, not sponsored. So here we go. Let's open this. Rare Beauty. First off, we have Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Come on, focus. Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. They sent me this. They contacted me. Hi, friend. We are excited to welcome you to the Rare Beauty community. Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez is on a mission to break down unrealistic standards of perfection and reduce the stigma associated with mental health. We believe in makeup made to feel good in without hiding what makes you unique. We hope you love these products and can't wait to get to know you better. With gratitude, Rare Beauty. That's so lovely. I like it because they're not just sending it to your typical beauty influencers. I don't really fall in that category when I'm creating content. You know, YouTubers, people who constantly are doing like makeup tutorials and stuff. You know, I love makeup. I love doing it, but I don't really share that a lot. So this is really cool for me, the fact that they're just looking for kind of everyday people. Let's open this. It came in a really nice little Rare Beauty box. Ooh, it's fancy. This is makeup made to feel good in without hiding what makes you unique. Well, I am quite unique, so I'm looking forward to this. We had a very cute little satchel. It says Rare Beauty on it. Very positive. All right, we're gonna open it up. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff in here. It's pretty heavy. Okay, first up, we have foundation, except I'm extremely white. But that's okay because I can mix this into my other stuff. I don't know, maybe it will fit me. I'm extremely pale. That's a little red for me, but that's okay because the thing is, whenever I get stuff that's a little bit darker than my skin tone, what I do is if I have something that's too white, I mix a little bit of this in there, kind of make it match my foundation. So I don't tan that much, to be honest, but we'll try. Maybe it's actually lighter. Let's do a little swatch. Okay, so it might have a little bit of yellow tone to it. Yeah, it's a little yellow, but that's okay. So what I can do is I can mix this. We'll see on my face. I'm excited to try this anyway. So thank you for the foundation. We're going to try it. Oh, what's this? Oh my God. Is this eyeliner? Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Yay. Liquid matte eyeliner. Very excited to try this as well. Love my eyeliner. This will be really fun. This is a really nice little pin. So we got some eyeliner. Ooh. Mascara. We got some nice mascara. I'm wearing fake eyelashes right now. We got a little mascara. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I'm excited to try that before I put on my eyelashes. Get a really pretty pink lipstick. I'm actually really excited to try this. I kind of want to put this on right now. Hold on, let me zoom in. This is a really pretty pink color called Nearly Rose. I don't know if it's matte or if it has a little bit of a sheen to it. How pigmented it is. It's very light, which is nice. Oh, it smells good too. So we got that. We got the Nearly Rose. Really pretty color. I like to wear a lot of like corals on my lips, coral tones. Here's the concealer, which is going to be significantly lighter. This is probably closer to my actual skin tone. Concealer, we normally do under the eyes and any of the highlighted areas. You can kind of see a little bit of the difference. So the foundation, see how dark the foundation is and see the concealer. Concealer, you can also use as a highlighter. So I honestly could use both together and just contour my face with it. I'm excited to use that and see how that feels on my skin. And then we have, oh my God, is this the cheek? So they have liquid blush. This is a liquid blush. It's very pigmented. You basically would just a little bit on each cheek and then you would blend with whatever brush that you use. I'll show you how pigmented it is. Swatch that and then, but you would go way lighter than that and then you would blend. But yeah, so I've not used a lot of liquid blush. I normally use powder blush, so I'm excited for this. And you could probably use a little bit of it on your lips, I bet. Even if it's a blush, I bet you $10. Oh, that's a little bright. Oh God. Okay, that might be too bright. I don't know why I did that. I'm not a beauty influencer. That's so bright. Okay, that's gonna work way better as a blush. I don't know why I put that on my lips. I'm sorry, Selena Gomez. I f***ed up. I'm just testing them out right now. I gotta take all this off. And then this is the other thing that everybody's been using. This is an illuminator, so you would use it like on the highlights. Actually, I can do this right now. I'm gonna go in now really quick and just show you guys. This is something that you would use on the high points. This is gonna look so much better in natural light. It's just like gonna illuminate. Now I gotta make it even. I just had to play with it now because I really wanted to see it. Okay. And then the last thing was probably a setting spray. It looks like a setting spray. So normally you just spray this, like if you put a lot of powder on and stuff after, this just kind of makes it look like oil on your face again. So you just Oh my God, this smells so good. And then we fan it. But it also just makes it like look less cakey. God, that smells so good. I wanted to do an unboxing in a different setting compared to the rest of the beauty bloggers and stuff. So yeah, anyway, there we go. Wow. I thought they were going to send me like one or two things. I didn't know they were going to send me an entire bag of really awesome products. So thank you, Rare Beauty. Thank you, Selena Gomez's company or whoever was doing PR. I'm honored. And I will try to do my best face of makeup tomorrow using your product. And I'm looking really forward to it. It's a whole ass kit. And I am feeling like such a beauty influencer or just an influencer in general between Fight Chicks and getting makeup. And now I'm getting boob armor. Like, fuck yeah, that's awesome.